Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing 10 important financial lessons that all parents should teach their children. These lessons are important for children to learn at a young age so that they can grow up to be financially responsible adults. Financial education is a crucial aspect of a child's upbringing that parents should prioritize. It is imperative that parents impart financial literacy to their children to ensure they have a solid foundation for managing their finances in the future. So, let's get started. 1. Save for the future. The first lesson parents should teach their children is the importance of saving for the future. This can include setting up a savings account for the child and encouraging them to save a portion of their allowance or earnings. This will teach children to prioritize savings over immediate gratification. 2. Budgeting. Parents should also teach their children how to budget their money. Children should learn how to create a budget and stick to it, ensuring that they don't spend more than they can afford. 3. Understanding debt. It's important for children to understand what debt is and how it works. Parents should explain the difference between good and bad debt and how interest works. This will help children make better financial decisions when they become adults. 4. Investing. Parents should teach their children about investing and how it can help them grow their money over time. They should explain the different investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 5. Understanding credit. It's important for children to understand what credit is and how it works. Parents should explain how credit scores are calculated and how to use credit responsibly. 6. Delayed gratification. Parents should teach their children about delayed gratification. They should explain that sometimes, it's better to wait and save up for something instead of buying it right away. 7. Entrepreneurship. Parents should encourage their children to think like entrepreneurs. They should teach their children about starting a business and the basics of entrepreneurship. 8. Philanthropy. It's important for children to learn about giving back to their community. Parents should teach their children about philanthropy and the importance of helping others. 9. Understanding taxes. Parents should teach their children about taxes and how they work. Children should learn about different types of taxes, such as income tax, sales tax, and property tax. 10. Financial responsibility. Finally, parents should teach their children about financial responsibility. Children should learn the importance of being responsible with their money, paying bills on time, and living within their means. So, there you have it, 10 important financial lessons that all parents should teach their children. By providing their children with a strong financial education, parents can equip them with the necessary skills to make informed financial decisions and avoid financial pitfalls. This will not only benefit the child in the long run but also contribute to their overall financial stability and success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.